What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Moesha, back with another video. Y'all, like, I know before y'all get to yelling at me, just let me explain.
It's the chemistry. Oh, give me something that I never had. Give me something that'll meet you halfway. A little something that's gonna make it last. One for you, one for me. I need your love.
Y'all, I know I've been MIA, but like, I just been getting myself together. Like, I just been handling my business and just trying to, square away business. So please, y'all, just be lenient. I just been handling business, y'all. So, but I'm back and I'm better, and your girl's finna be dropping videos back to back, and I cannot wait. But I know y'all ready to get into the video. So I know, as y'all can tell by the title, we are about to talk about business and how I started my business and all the good stuff that come with the business. Okay, let's talk about business. Like, I get so many questions about like how I started my business, like what to do. People have asked for ideas for a business. Like, y'all, first and foremost, y'all know I'm gonna be real. So as far as ideas for a business, maybe find something that you like to do. But if you are not passionate about what you want to do or what you are trying to do, don't do it. Like, you got to be passionate about it, because if you're not passionate, it's not gonna work. Like, it's not gonna work. You got to be passionate about everything that you want to do. Like, a business is not just about like having pretty stuff and making money. Like, that's not just what a business is about. Like, it's a lot of stuff that comes with the business. So I'm gonna just tell y'all how I started my business. For the people who don't know, I have a skincare business called Mosoft Skin, and it's where I sell like face scrubs, body scrubs, lip gloss, lip balms, lip scrubs. Like, I got everything for y'all. Like, everything that you need to just have glowing skin, like, I got it for you. Everything that you need to have them lips popping and your skin hydrated, baby, I got it for you. Everything is all natural, and I use all natural and organic ingredients for all my stuff. Like, go check out my Instagram page at Mosoft Skin so y'all can get a feel of my business and how I kind of run it. So y'all know I have a condition called psoriasis. Psoriasis is a condition that is dry skin, severe dry skin. And like, y'all, I've been dealing with the shit for so long. Since I was like 5, 6, or 7, like, I just been dealing with psoriasis for so long. And I never found nothing that could help my skin. I never found anything that was just working for my skin. Like, I had, like, all up through here, it was like lighter than my skin complexion. So I was like, this color right here, and I had like light spots right here. I had like light spots all over my skin. One day I was just at home and I'm like, I'm sick of my skin just being so dry. Like, don't no lotion help, don't no creams help. Like, I went to the dermatologist, they didn't help. When I go to the dermatologist, they help with my scalp psoriasis, but they don't have anything for my skin. So I'm like, okay, well, I decided, I was like, well, doing some research, and I came up on some scrubs, and I'm like, well, how about I make my own scrubs? And so one day, like, I just went in my kitchen and I just whipped up some stuff, and I was like, oh my god, like, I real deal like just made a scrub. And then like I tested it on my face for a while, and I was like seeing results, and I'm like, oh my god. Like, my first scrub I made was I never forget, my first scrub I made, it was the brown sugar scrub, and I'm like, oh my god, like, look at my skin, like, oh my god, I'm glowing. Like, I was really glowing. Like, I was glowing, y'all, and I'm still glowing, and I'm like, oh my god, I really like this. Like, I didn't see no more dry skin, and that was my main thing I was trying to get rid of, was dry skin, because my discoloration had kind of went away, but I still had like a little toning up to do on my skin. So that's when I made my turmeric scrub. My turmeric kind of helped me, my toning up for the skin and getting all my skin the same one color. And so, like, I just whipped up some scrubs, and as I went on, I just added stuff that I really wanted to make, like, in my shop. So that's how I started my business. Like it was really simple for me to start my business, and I love everything that I do. Like, of course it gets difficult sometimes, but this is what I'm doing. Like, I'm in this for the long run. I want to help others who have a similar condition that I have, or people who don't even have a condition, like people who just overall have dry skin. Like, you don't even have to have a condition. You don't even have to have psoriasis or eczema. But if you do have like psoriasis, eczema, or any dry skin condition, like, I'm pretty sure that it is something that I have that can help relieve your dry skin. And all it takes is for, you know, you to try it. But that's basically, like, that's literally how I started my business. Like, I was just like, okay, let me see if I can find something that's natural that can help my skin, because y'all know I'm into natural things. And so, like, I never really had like dark spots. Like, I have a turmeric scrub, and it's like for dark spots, like to help with scarring and stuff for the skin. But I mainly like use my brown sugar because I really don't have like dark spots. I just had like red spots on my skin and like super dry skin, like skin just be everywhere. And so I have those scrubs, and I have body scrubs as well. I have lavender and pink Himalayan body scrubs, and they do your body just as well as the scrubs do on your face. And they really help give you a glow. So if y'all need something, like, just go check it out. I have it linked in the description. If you have any questions, please drop your questions below. I will answer them. Follow me on social media. I will you can DM me or inbox me or something like that, and I will get back to you and answer any questions that you may have pertaining to your skin, and what I could direct you to something that you may want in my shop to get for your skin. And like, I'm just sitting in the car and I'm like, I ain't filmed in a while. Like, let me film for them. Like, it's been a while. Let me film. And I'm like, I'm not even sure like what I really would talk about, like, about my business. But I'm like, well, how about I just talk about, you know, how I started, since that's how so many people have asked me. Like, don't go into the business thinking that, you know, you finna make some quick money, because it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3. Like, no. Like, people don't think about like what comes with the business. They just think about, oh, I got a business. Like, no. Just being real, just being honest. Like, no, it's not simple. It's not easy. Like, times get hard. It's a lot of things that come with a business. Instead of just like, oh yeah, I have a business, hooray. Like, no, it's not that. So if you have any questions, I'm willing to answer. I'm willing to mentor. I'm willing to talk to you. I'm willing to answer any questions that you may have. I just wanted to make a quick video about like just the business. Like, and like I said, if you have any questions, drop below. This will be my first business EP, so I have a lot more going. I'll be talking more about my business and just showing you guys things that I have in my business, and maybe how I package and how I ship orders out, and anything, you know, that you guys want to know, just ask me. Just ask questions, just drop them below, and I will make a video about it. So I'm really excited. Like, I really missed you guys, and I am so sorry that I have not been filming. Like, excuse this towel back here in the sea, because like, it's really pissing me off. Like, it's just there. It's really pissing me off. I've been trying to get myself together and get my business together. Business have been picking up, so I had to, you know, take a little time away and just get my ducks in a row so I can be good. Like, we just gotta be good. I gotta make sure I'm good so that I can be good for y'all, so that I can help y'all with what you need help with. You get it? Like, so it's like a win-win situation. So now y'all can't be mad at me. Like, that's really literally how I started my business. Like, it's so many things out here that you could do, like, to start a business, but you know, you gotta have a mindset. Like, you don't just jump into it and thinking, oh, it's finna be peaches and cream and strawberries and bananas and stuff like that, because it's not. I'm here to let you know it's not. And at first I didn't even realize like how much I will be doing, like how much I will be buying like for the business. Like, now that I'm in the business, like, oh my god, like, I gotta buy this and that, and I gotta make sure that my business is secure. Like, you gotta have the right things for your business. Whatever business that you may have, like, you just gotta have everything, you know, together, because like everybody thinking that it's just so it's all easy. Like I said, it's nice, but you got to take it really, really serious, like, because you trying to help someone else, like you're trying to help someone else in your business. So you got to make sure that you on top, like you on your P's and Q's. So y'all, you just got to make sure that you got everything together, because if you don't, this is how it's gonna be. It's gonna be going down, and we don't want it. Like we bringing value to people all 2020 and the rest of the years. Like we doing these things. All my boss babes, check in. Like, y'all, we finna do this thing. Like we finna take it up a notch. I love my business, and I'm gonna keep my business going and growing, and it's growing each and every day, and I'm so happy. But yeah, that's basically it for the first EP of how I started my business, and all the good reviews and stuff that I've had, because like my customers, y'all, they be coming through. Like they be coming through for me, and y'all just don't understand. Like they be coming through, like the reviews, they be like making me so happy. My heart be like, oh my god, like y'all just made my day. Like, and that's what pushed me to keep going each and every day. Like you're not gonna wake up every day and be like, I just feel like getting up and doing this and doing it. Like it's gonna be some times where you just you feel lazy, but you gotta get up and you gotta do what you gotta do, because this is not like working a regular job. Like when you become a boss, baby, you working all types of times of the day. Like you on call at all times of the day. Like you on call every hour, every minute, every second of the day. Like unless you sleep. And then when you get up, guess what? You got to get right back to it. Because, baby, who going to deliver for you? Nobody. You got to deliver for yourself. Like, you got to make sure your customers and your clients or anybody you're dealing with, like, you got to make sure they good. And you got to make sure that you get your product out there or your services out there. Like, y'all, like, I love what I do. Like, I really, really, really love what I do. Like, y'all, look at my skin. I look good, y'all. Like my skin really look good. Besides this, look, ain't nothing I can't fix, but like my skin look good. My lips popping. I'm good. But because I would really, really like for you guys to drop any questions that you may have. So this will be the end of the video though, and like I said, if you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you are not, if you've been here, if you've been more fam, like I really love y'all. Like I love y'all. So if you are new, subscribe and make sure you hit that bell. And if you've been here, thank you so much, and thank you guys for supporting me. But this will be the end of the video. So bye guys, and I will see you in the next EP.